The Congress has taken aim at Union Home Minister Amit Shah over his recent statements on the situations in Manipur, questioning why Prime Minister Narendra Modi has not visited the state if the conditions are as normal as claimed. At a press conference, Shah declared that the government has been in dialogue with both the Meitei and Kuki communities to stabilize lasting peace and has initiated the fencing of the India-Myanmar border to prevent infiltration. He highlighted that except for 3 days of violence last week, Manipur has been largely calm with no significant incidents in the past 3 months. However, Congress General Secretary Jairam Ramesh was quick to counter Shah's optimism. If the situation is as normal as claimed, why hasn't the Prime Minister found time to visit Manipur since the violence erupted in May 3, 2023? Ramesh asked in a social media post. He further questioned the absence of a full-time governor and the prolonged absence of the state's chief secretary alongside the lack of functioning of the BJP office in Imphal. Shah defended the government's action, pointing to the deployment of Central Reserve Police Force personnel and the discontinuations of the India-Myanmar Free Movement Regime (FMR). He emphasized that the situation was under control and assured that Prime Minister Narendra Modi's visit would be announced in due time. The ethnic conflict in Manipur, which started in May 2023, has claimed over 220 lives with no clear resolutions in sight. The Congress continues to praise the government for a stronger response, including a visit from the Prime Minister.